Bin Bin at 100 Kenyan shillings. I love this creativity. Glasses up, hair down.
Wongo, tuko Githurai.
My village people. Ooh, in the beach. Hi, Julie Gamine here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you enjoy each and every video. If you've not subscribed, please do so right away. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. So today is on a Friday, and I'm still in Kilifi, day 2 in Kilifi, and I am loving it. I just woke up. I've already taken a shower and I am ready. All I have to do is have breakfast. Then after I've had breakfast, I go brush my teeth. And what do I have to say? And we go on with the events of the day. I'll update you as we go on. So, a few things. I don't know where today I might go because yesterday, God, I became a real traveler, which was a lot of work. Now, first of all, I love my accessories. I love them. This cute silver necklace that the pendant has no meaning at all. Oh, look at my birthmark there. Then my cute earrings that are not mine, that belong to a friend. Yesterday night she was like, I'm wearing this tomorrow, and I was like, and I wore them instead of her. This friendship. Now you see this ring camouflaging with my pendant, and I'm cuckoo. This is not a dress. Hey, if you know me, you will know me and dresses. So this is how it looks. Oof, yeah, just like that. I look like the next. Okay, I don't know any Hindu lady name. Priyanka Chopra. Ooh, giving Priyanka Chopra vibes. So let's go have breakfast. Our breakfast is good. Ooh, let me show you the breakfast.
Hi, people.
Yeah, these are my girlfriends. This is Liz. This is Eve. That's Mercy. You've never seen her. I'm launching you officially.
Oh, wow. Oh.
We need a ribbon to cut her. Sweet potatoes. Yeah, so this is our meal. Things we go through every day. Guys, good morning. I'm feeling good. Today is my third day in Kilifi County, and I woke up a while ago. I've done my skincare, so I've not applied anything on my face since I've not brushed my teeth. I want to do that later. I love this OMG. I bought it at Bin Bin at 100 Kenyan shillings. If you've not been to Bin Bin by now, if you're a content creator or you do anything fashion, lifestyle and beauty, please, you need to head there. I'm waiting for the car to pass. Okay, good. So today, outfit of the day, I've worn this blue shirt, this top black, blue jeans, that's it. So I just finished my breakfast, which was so good. End product. Anyway, I forgot to show you, or rather, my mind wasn't there. I've had sausage, sweet potatoes, my potatoes that have been fried, and what else did I have in the plate? And a boiled egg, and I am good.
She's not good. She's lying. In fact, she's sick.
Oh my god. Wow. I'm looking forward to today. I am excited about today. I think I can show you outfit of the day. Yeah. So I have this black spaghetti top. This is spaghetti top. Then this blue shirt, these blue jeans. Oh, my body. And I am okay. So go finish getting ready, and we go to the beach. I'm gonna carry you along. You're gonna tag along because I love you guys. My job is to show you everything, to make sure you are happy. Anyway, see ya. So I'm back in the room, and it just struck me that I have not given you a room tour. So we're gonna make it so short as it can be, because I don't like a vlog that's too long on my channel. But I don't mind watching other people's vlogs so long as they're interesting. But since I've not been into this vlogging money knows for long, I don't usually feel like it's necessary for me to have a very long vlog, because I just don't want to make you all tired. I want you to watch and sleep, watch and enjoy life. Like, you know, people are busy out here. Yeah, so let's do this. So this is the door you get in. Once you get in, I like one thing about this door is this part. It doesn't shut instantly, and once you're inside or outside and you've left the door open, it will close by itself. So this dustbin is here courtesy of me. It was there, it wasn't here. And I love the fact that this washroom has a partition in this way. The room is on this side, but the washroom is here. Looks okay with me. So this is the sink, and that is me. Here's the bathroom. So here's what the soap dish is. That's the shower. Oh god, yes, good. That's the shower. Yeah, basically that's it. So that's the tissue, that's the washroom. It's so spacious, and I love that fact about this room. And then we come into where the bed is. Let me tell you, my favorite part of this bedroom, of this room, is the mosquito net. One, if you're planning to come to Kilifi, just know that Kilifi is too hot, very hot. That's why if you notice, we have a fan there, which is very functional. It's not just a prop. Then there are two bulbs. Reasons, I don't know why. Apparently right now it's like there's no power. I'm not sure. Yeah, because I've switched on the lights and they didn't go on. Me, I love this, the part where the way they've placed the mosquito net. I love it. Like from day one, I've been like, I love this creativity. I just love it. Yes. Yeah, so this is my bed. They're gonna change the sheets, but I just straightened it for purposes of decency. I was trained well. Here are my things, my night garments, and my masai sheet. The masai sheet is what I'm using to cover up when I feel like I need some privacy a little bit, you know. Then this curtain, god, I should buy my sister this curtain because it's so cute. It's so cute for kids. Yeah, you see, it's so beautiful. Anything about this room is that mess there, the mess over here. Those are my sneakers down there. The situation on the table, don't mind. If you ask about this one, that one, sanitary towel, I use Sunny Girl because I don't have heavy flow, so I use the lightest sanitary towel in the market. So I love this creativity over here. If you know me by now, you should know I love creative things. I love artwork. So these are wallpapers that have stones that are all around the room. Now, oh yes. This is the socket and what to switch on and off the fan. Now let's go back to me. Yeah, I've showed you my room tour. It's not that much, but it's good. I am comfortable. I can't complain. So one thing, I was to tell you something. Yes, I am reading the book of Daniel. If you watch me consistently, you know that. and I am enjoying. If you really want to know more about the word, or you've been struggling with reading the Bible, you can do character by character. The book of Daniel is so interesting. Like, Daniel is one person that makes you feel like this is good. It shows you a lot about God. You get to learn a lot about God and how faithful He is, how He takes care of His people. And it really encourages me to keep involving God in my businesses. In everything I do, I let God tag along. You see, like the way when your friends are going somewhere, you like to tag along with them because they've welcomed you. That's it. Like, also God, sorry, I'm tired of holding the phone. God is also like that. He wants us to involve Him in our personal lives, to just have a relationship, a good relationship with Him. And the book of Daniel is just an amazing book. I think it only has 12 chapters, so you can take 12 days or 15 days to read it. The verses, this is what I do. Most books in the Bible, each chapter has 20 something verses. So like Daniel 2 has 40 something. So I read 24 up to where the dream is. Then the remaining part I read it on its own. That is the part where the dream is interpreted. And we see God's faithfulness to His people, to people who trust Him, by how the sorcerers, the mediums, all those were not able to interpret the dream, because in the first place they didn't know the dream that King Nebuchadnezzar had. But God knew, so He showed Daniel the dream and the interpretation, and because of that, Daniel was given a job, and his 3 friends were also given jobs. Yeah, that's it. Let me not give you too much gist. We are going to the beach. See you later. Take care, guys. Guys, we're going to the beach. Here we are. Ooh. Yeah, glasses up, hair down. Beach vibes. Hi guys, so I'm currently at Sita, Mombasa, and I've seen an ice cream guy. Oh my god. Let me first buy ice cream outside here, then I'll show you. I'll give you a review of how the ice cream is. It's just around the street. Yeah. Sir,
Nakutolea tu chaguo.
sawa.
Nenda kutolea uchaguo. Leo utaiona the best utachukua wewe.
Sawa.
Hii imeletwa sababu ya nyinyi, mchague. Hii imeletwa sababu ya nyinyi, mchague. 60.
In strawberry.
Strawberry vanilla.
Nini?
Hii ni vanilla tu. Ndio hiyo.
Nipeke. Karibu, asante pia. So this is the ice cream I got. It's vanilla flavor. It's 500 Tanzanian shillings. And since it's 500 Tanzanian shillings, that means it's 60 Kenyan shillings. We're gonna eat it. I'm gonna give you a review. Let me rush. Let me go have something to eat. Okay, guys, the meal was so good.
So
Hi guys, it's Ricky Shades again.
This is Ricky. He's our group member.
We're going to the beach now, officially. The meal here was good. I forgot to show you guys. We had mint juice. It was slapping. Love the sun. Too much white. See you. Hi guys, I just got to Plaza Beach Hotel, which is so beautiful. There is my view. Yes. Oh, the sun is sunning. You can see the glow, can tell it all. This is my twin.
Wongo, tuko Githurai.
You all know Githurai doesn't look like this, so yeah. This place is so beautiful. We're gonna go in a few. Let me first shoot a TikTok video. So this is the entryway of Plaza Beach Hotel. Let me tell you, because we had tea at 6 p.m. in this hotel. The food is good. I can tell. The cake they gave us was fantastic. I couldn't vlog because my battery died. Hukombela, you're gonna see that, but it's alright. But I love the hotel. I love the view. It's not so far from the beach. Actually, it's like 50 meters from the beach. You're able to see everything, and their charges are pocket friendly. They are very, very pocket friendly. You should go here. This is the right place. Okay, the photos I took around this place. You're gonna see the photo on my thumbnail. I had a lot of fun. This place is so gorgeous. The environment is good. The atmosphere, the ambience, everything. I just can't say enough. You just need to book a reservation for you to go to this place. I'll have the number. So apparently we are already at the beach. Ooh, I am excited. I am happy. I'm not gonna lie. This is my view. Mama, I made it to the beach. Oof. I'm so happy, baby. I'm not gonna lie. Why would I lie that I am happy and I'm not? I am happy. I am excited. My village people. You thought my mother won't make it. Now I've made it. It's a family problem. There is my friend. He's very happy. That is Ricky Shades. If you are a regular in this channel, you know Ricky. If you don't, sijui unafanya nini. Sijui, you need to watch my previous vlogs. I am excited though, for one reason or the other. Hi guys, so I just saw the beach and I have bought some clothes to change and go to the beach nicely. Looking hot, so I'm going back to the changing room. Ooh, in the beach. Of the sea. Here's my friend. Please. She's just sinking and floating at the same time. Guys, I've tried my best. I've come from far. Like the place where I started, how far away? We're going to a mini island in the middle of the water. But we are enjoying. I am somewhere in the middle, and this is where we end the vlog because if water comes, my phone is gonna disappear. If water comes, your phone. So I have to take care of this phone. In case you don't see this vlog, my phone ilizama na maji. This is my friend Wayu.
So you're talking about your phone, not even your life.
And I still love my life. I had lots of fun. My battery died, so I didn't continue the vlog. We end this vlog here. Take care.